Come check out what I made with my Mayfield fabric. Hey guys, it's Viv and this is Stitches and Seams. Thanks so much for joining me. And today I'm going to show you what I've been up to with my fabric that I received from Mayfield Fabrics. I love it. I absolutely love it and I want to wear it all the time. Let's see. I received the tencel from Carla and Troy, and I picked the tencel because I've never worked with it before. I've never even touched it before. So I was really intrigued to, see what all the hoopla was about. Well, they're right. It's amazing. So I have a little bit left here and I'll show you. So this is what I chose as the right side and the wrong side, which I think would be kind of cool to kind of play with those colors together. The contrast between them. But yeah, it washes up really well. I did a cold wash because I'm a cold wash person unless I need to specifically wash something in hot water or if I'm washing whites. So cold wash, medium dry, and I used medium iron on it. It's like a dream. This stuff presses so nicely. I mean, I can't even, it's like rayon. It's a lot like rayon to me, but it presses so much nicer than rayon. Yeah, well, you can see. So this, I chose to make the fringe top. I was going to make the dress, but I didn't quite have enough, so I didn't want to skimp, and then I just really kind of became enamored with the idea of having this in a top, and I'm very glad that I made a top out of it because I'm going to wear it way more than I would a dress. So anyway, but yeah, see how well it presses, and it just holds that really crisp line so nicely. It's sewed so well. There's another version of this dress and you can have button front, and you could absolutely easily do that with this fabric as well. It would make buttonholes, or it would take buttonholes, really well. I just really love this. I'm like tripping over my tongue because I just want to tell you I love it. It's so nice. It's light. What I would call it's lightweight. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot like rayon in the drape, as well as wearability and breathability. It has a really lovely drape, and it is very similar to rayon. If you enjoy sewing with rayon, if you enjoy wearing rayon, then you would absolutely love tencel. I am not sure if Troy and Carla have it still in stock, but they do have a multitude of other amazingly gorgeous fabrics. They've got some art gallery prints in right now that are just scrummy. And Carla just put up videos for the Robert Kaufman Arietta Pontes. Oh man, I want to get my hands on some of those. But yeah, we're going to put some pictures in here for you guys so that you can see the dress. It was really, really crazy windy when we took these photos, but it seems to be that way a lot here. So you're going to get to see me with like crazy hair quite a lot. So it should be interesting. I love this top. Love the fabric. And I'm really glad that these two came together. I think they were a perfect match. And yeah, that is it, you guys. I will link the fabric if they have it below. I will also link the pattern and the shop and Carla's Instagram, as well as her YouTube channel. My brain just went like boop. So anyway, yeah, that is it today, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I made, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy the photos. We'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.